Do you want to know how to connect Bluetooth headphones to Windows 11 PC? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. You're quite used to pairing your Bluetooth headphones with your smartphone. But would you like to know how to connect them to your Windows PC as well? In this video, we will give you step-by-step instructions for the same. You can connect your headphones to your PC via the Devices section in Settings. The process is almost the same as pairing with a smartphone. With just a few clicks, you can pair your Bluetooth-enabled headphones to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. How to connect Bluetooth headphones to Windows 11 PC? To connect Bluetooth headphones to a Windows 11 PC, open the Settings app from the Start menu. On the Settings app, click on Bluetooth and Devices tab in the left side panel. You will see the list of paired Bluetooth devices along with the button to add new devices under Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Add Device. Then, a pop-up window to add a device opens. Click on Bluetooth to add a Bluetooth device to your PC. Turn on your device to make sure your PC detects it. Then, you can see that device in the list of available devices. Once your device is recognized, click on the device to start connecting it. You will see a connected status once your Bluetooth headphones are connected to the PC. You can add multiple Bluetooth devices but can only use one at a time. How do I get Windows to recognize my Bluetooth headphones? To get Windows to recognize your Bluetooth headphones, please make sure it is turned on and not connected to any other device like mobile at that time. When your device is ready to connect with the PC, the light on it blinks as an indication. Your PC will detect it automatically. Troubleshoot Bluetooth-enabled headphones not pairing. Sometimes while pairing the Bluetooth devices, you may face one of the following problems. Bluetooth icon is missing or it cannot be turned on or off. Bluetooth devices not showing pairing or connecting. Bluetooth does not work after a Windows 10 update is installed. Bluetooth headphones not working. It does not work after a software upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 8.1 or Windows 7. Headphones not detected. It does not appear in Device Manager and no unknown devices are listed. Setup incomplete because of a metered connection. Here are some solutions to troubleshoot Bluetooth pairing issues. 1. Ensure that the headphones are within the range of your Windows PC. 2. Ensure that audio is playing through the Bluetooth device. Go to the Start, then open Settings, then select System, then Sound, then choose your output device. Select the Bluetooth device. 3. In case your headphones show paired but you are unable to hear the audio, ensure that it is connected. Go to Start, then select Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Add Device. Then select Bluetooth or click on your device directly if it is showing and follow the on-screen prompts to connect. 4. You can also try unpairing and repairing the headphones. To unpair a device, go to Settings, then select Bluetooth and Devices, then Devices. Select the Bluetooth-enabled headphones that are paired but are not working. Then select Remove this device. Click on Yes. Pair the device again. You can connect your Bluetooth headphones to multiple devices, like your smartphone and Windows PC. Depending on the model of the Bluetooth headphones, you may be able to connect them to one device at one time. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.